everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another VlogTober video. So the kids and I have been making our way through the house doing this or doing that in an effort to declutter our space, in an effort to just really kind of grab our home back after everything we've been through over the past month. So in this video, we're going to be working in the master bathroom. So if you have seen the video of my master bedroom makeover, of course in that video I totally redid the color scheme of the bedroom, and so now my bathroom is pink, but my bedroom is kind of browns and burgundies and cream colors. So I am going to make a transition over to using those colors in the master bath. However, I haven't really given it a thorough clean in a long time, so I'm going to take time to do that right now and make sure that everything in there we need to keep, anything that we can donate or throw away, we are not tied to anything. So we wanted to invite you guys to hang out with us as we redid Mom's master bathroom. So here are the colors in the master bedroom. You have those browns, you have this burgundy, some of the lighter browns. The walls are called oatmeal. And so I wanted to show you what we were able to find. And again, we went to Walmart, so don't sleep on Walmart. So this is what I was able to find at Walmart that I feel like is going to go very well with this particular color scheme. Even though this color here is lighter than the bedspread, is still kind of all in that family. So it has the darker browns, it has the burgundies, and then the shower curtain is burgundy and brown as well. And then we just went with one of the brown toppers for the toilet seat. So this is all the Mainstay brand. It costs, this is a 15-piece set. It was $15, and then this was $5. So for 20 bucks, I'm able to change out things in the master bathroom. And so let us now take you into the bathroom and show you kind of what we're going to be working with. Okay, so here is the master bathroom, and of course everything is pink with the exception of the floors, and this is just kind of that laminate, it's vinyl flooring here. So of course that works out. And then of course I have the darker wood cabinets. So the kids are going to wipe these cabinets down. They're going to come in and help me as well. And then we're just going to go through, and there are 3 of us sharing my bathroom right now. So I have their stuff, Mom's stuff, everybody's stuff is here, and I don't deal well with stuff. So I do have a cabinet here that I don't use because I'm waiting on Boaz to show up, because this is his side. This is his side. This is Mom's side. Boaz. So while the kids are sharing with me, because my sister is still here and we let them just have the other bathroom, so it is no problem and we're not in their space, I'm going to just open this up, tidy up a little bit under here, and have the kids put their things down here. So I'm going to work on the hair basket. There are a couple things that we can put together, and then just a few things down here that we're just going to put together. And some of those medications we don't even need, so we'll toss those out. These are cleaning rags. Then we're going to make sure that we go all around. I mean, you probably can't see it, but there's just like crud and hair. So we're going to get the vacuum out and really vacuum good all around down here, and make sure we wipe off the baseboards. I'm going to revamp this basket because I don't use feminine items anymore, with the exception of just, you know, panty liners. But I think I'm going to actually bring in some more toilet papers and different things, and I'm going to condense or combine this with Alana's bucket in her bathroom because I don't use this stuff. And then down here I have a lot of Fly Lady things that we're just going to condense those as well, empty out the trash. Why does any normal person need all of this body wash? We don't know. And then we're just going to give the tub a good scrubbing. Remove some of the things here. We've already sprayed it down with the, what did we use? The vinegar and Dawn. And then a while back, I had Handy Mandy come in and put me a rounded shower curtain bar in. Love that. So we're just going to take all the pinks out and move the browns in. And that's going to help us to coordinate this master bathroom with the master bedroom. So hang out with us as we get started. Okay, everybody, here it is. We are done. So I put out this rug, and then of course we got this toilet seat cover. But I wanted something to go over here when you step out of the tub, and I could not find another rug to match this brown color. So I actually ended up getting a burgundy rug because that only came with two. And if I use this one over here, it would actually be in the way of that one.
Maybe not. Come here, Alon. Let me see if Alon can help me. Because maybe I can fit it. Maybe I can squish it in. See if we can change this one and this one over there. And then maybe put that burgundy one over here. Will it fit long ways that way? Does that look better? I don't know. Let's see. Do I like that?
Yes.
Do I really like that?
Yes.
Better?
Yes.
I don't know. They might change back. I think I like this one better over there. Can you move it back? She's not my friend right now. Anyway, we cleaned everything off here. I removed the pink baskets or the pink things out inside of the clear glass jars. And I just put those there. We gave this a good scrubbing. And I just put the things that I use every day there. Catherine from Do It on a Dime actually went over this in one of her latest videos about having a launch pad for your counter. And so I had that there. And that's a good idea. So those are the oils and perfumes and stuff that I use on a regular basis. My toothbrush is here. So nothing else on the counter with the exception of the hand soap. And then under here is where I have moved the kids. They have been relegated to these two back buckets here. So this is meds, this is hair stuff, this is more hair like shampoos and moisturizers and different things. And then down here each kid has their own bucket. So Alana's bucket has a zillion things and Jackson's bucket has a toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. So that's where the kids' things are going to be so that they are not on my counter and we are not being intrusive into the other bathroom. And they keep those baskets in their bathroom because they only have a single sink, no double sink. And then down here, we just put all the lotion items there. These are some teeth items and then face scrubs and stuff like that. So we did throw away quite a bit of things there. We put the scale back. We just decided to leave these here for now. Who knows, somebody may come into this restroom and need that. Because sometimes if we have a group here or whatever, we'll like to keep things in both bathrooms. We did put the trash can back. And then this is what the shower curtain ended up looking like. And I did have to go to Dollar General and get a liner to replace the one that was in there. We also did a good thorough cleaning of the tub. So we just kept this. And these are the only items in here now. The kids will have to put their washing soaps underneath the sink for their showers. So there it is. We are done with this episode of Vlogtober, the master bathroom. And I will say this. Oh, I got a bulb. Man, I forgot I had a bulb out and I need one more bulb. I'm tired because I haven't cleaned this bathroom in a while, like really a deep clean. So I'm thankful that it's done. I won't have to do it anymore. And if I go back to Fly Lady, which is a swish and swipe, it won't be so much next time. But I'm thankful that it's done. Thankful that the kids help me. I know a lot of people ask me why my kids are always helping me. We do almost everything together. Cleaning, eating, sleeping, you know, eat whatever we do it as a family. And it's just teaching them when they have their own places how to care for their things. So anyway, that is it. Our edition of Vlogtober for today. We thank you so much for stopping by and we'll see you next time. Bye now.